What's up, folks? Honey's morning update, September 7th. Uh, 49 or 40-point range overnight, 83 to 23. They're seem to be defending that. Yesterday I was looking at that 78-80 level. That seems to be defended now. 83 is your low overnight. 86 was your low yesterday. So they're kind of defending this 80 range. My over under today is like 39.08 here. Above it, I'm cautiously bullish. Below it, I'm cautiously bearish. For a bull run, we need this ES above 36. I'd like to see that go. Obviously, we need to get over the overnight high of 23, but 36 is really my target for this to have any traction on the upside. Below '08, obviously, I'm looking at this 86, 83, 78, 80 area to hold or to either be defended or break. Let's go all the way back here. If that breaks, then your next big level is going to be that 38, 38, 38, 40. And again, I expect that to be defended. If not, your next major level is going to be basically your 3800, 38 to 3797 to 3800. Again, I don't see us getting there today. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. So this 60, 70, maybe that might hold. You have, again, the 78, 80, and then 68, 70. I would watch those two levels, but the big level I'm watching is that 38, 40. Your low here was 34. I could see a pierce of that maybe, but I would think that this level would be defended. So we'll see. Upside, again, I want it above 36 and ideally that 39.70, 39.67 to 70. So that's kind of what I'm watching today. I don't know there's a bunch of Fed speakers coming out, so we'll have to see what that does. Euro still grinding lower. We're at the 98 handle now, and it's starting to dip a little bit more down, a little bit today, 269. So we'll see dollar index making new 20-year highs, which is interesting. Cash gap still here, 38.60, 38.29, and then another one below that is 38.17 to 37.90. So I would definitely watch these two to get either filled or to stop. That's a 38.62. We could see it hit here and then bounce back. But this is pretty drastic for a downside with no real up momentum. So either, the selling continues and we continue in this downtrend, or we get a tough reversal. And I don't know. I think people are kind of weary of that potential. So today, international trade balance, we have Loretta Mester speaking, Bernard speaking, or Brainerd, whatever the fuck his name is. Beige Book, that's going to be fun at 2 p.m. And then Barr speaks at 2 p.m. So a lot of potential action today. On the array, we do have a small directional change. As I said before in the macro updates, September 13th is really kind of that's really the key event. I don't know, or turning point. I don't know what happens here, but that's next week. So, either we grind down this week and maybe pop next week, or, we hold this 3,900 and kind of consolidate for maybe a move higher or consolidate for a move lower. But interesting on the weekly, we have a full panic cycle with a directional change for the week. So, but this is odd when it combos like this. It tends to kind of mute it out, at least that I've found. So we'll see if this transpires. But please note that with a directional change, either that's a change in direction or a change or just a general move in one area or one direction. Let's check out our hourly. So your pivot 39.20. These are the same as what Joey posts for your other stuff. You have 39.95, 39.52, 42 and 75. So here's that 3,800 So keep an eye on those because these definitely levels to watch as well as the ones that I'm providing. There's a reason we post these is because they work. They're old school. Here's your update on your quarterly chart. Not looking very happy right now for this one. It's also an inside quarter, which it should be interesting. If this continues, we'll see if this breaks. It's got a lot of time left. We've got all month for this candle to finish up. Here's your daily chart here. Again, this is your huge volume node. So I thought that 3,900 would probably be defended. That would be our next target. We're there. And it's kind of a question of where do we go from here now that we're here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Your 50 days at 40.24, 100 days at 30 or 40.38, and then your 200s up at 42.79. I don't see that transpiring, but who knows? So just keep an eye on everything. 3-minute chart, as I've been speaking, starts to look sad. So we're already starting to drop down. Anyway, so that's all I've got. Again, we're watching it. We watched moves yesterday, so pick your spots, get out, don't stick around and wait for a loss. I will be in and out today and no video tomorrow because I will be out of town, but I will be here video on Friday and all day Friday. So anyway, stay safe, and again, I'll be in and out.